Hello, I'm Chris Moylan. grandMA2 Software Release 2.8 includes some eagerly awaited features, as well as many new functions and possibilities. With this, the user can comfortably update the software of all stations in the MA network from a grandMA2 console or grandMA2 on PC. This avoids updating products via USB in the future. You simply need to download the current software release pack available on the MA website and unpack all installation files to the root of a USB device. Plug in the USB device into a console or on-PC computer and open the software update menu. Select all stations you want to update and press the Update Devices soft key. This function also supports updating multiple stations simultaneously. After all files are transferred, the stations will automatically reboot with the new software version. Due to the growing amount of LED fixtures and to enhance fixture exchange, the former software features Color Mix and Color Dim have been exchanged by the new feature Color RGB, based on additive color mixing. CMY or RGB will now be displayed under one column in fixture sheets. In user settings, you can choose if you want CMY or RGB to show as default. Naturally, you can also individually choose your display type for each sheet. The fixture type library is now displayed as a table and can be sorted by any column. In addition to name, manufacturer, and mode, the DMX footprint, number of instances, and fixture info are now displayed inside this menu. With the I button active, the DMX channel configuration will also be displayed. Via this dialog, it is now possible to assign every internal screen to any internal or external monitor. The grandMA2 fader wing, the on-PC command wing, and the on-PC fader wing executors can be arranged in any order and position. The reorganized layout will also unify your mouse movements across all screens. Each surface can be called with a button press. The Create Multi-Patch soft key in the Patch menu creates virtual 3D models for your dimmer channels or fixtures, which can help to visualize ACL bars or groups of fixtures with the same address. Also, we can now switch between Universe and Absolute DMX addressing. Universe address 2.1 would become Absolute address 513. In the patch window, the encoders can now be used to select the fixture, universe, address, and direct test output. Macro pool objects now show the currently executed line, as well as their status such as play, pause, and record. With the command MA and store, and a touch on an empty macro, you can start recording all commands in real time. With the same command, you can stop the recording. The MA and store command can also be used to record a timecode show. grandMA2 on PC is now displayed in a separate tab. Each on-PC station is always listed with all possible connections, so one on-PC command wing and two on-PC fader wings. Each detected command wing or fader wing is indicated with a green label. In this screen, you can assign the DMX input and output universes of each device. The grandMA2 consoles and on-PC now support sound input. While the consoles use an XLR input, the on-PC computer will use the sound card or built-in microphone. In cue lists, you can now assign sound as a trigger with different frequencies, or BPM for the beat counter. The Special Master Sound In and BPM are connected to the sound view. In the Form pool, Form 20 is permanently assigned to sound. That means you can assign a sound frequency to any attribute for quick and dynamic effects. The Sound Fade fader in Sound View will dampen or fade the reaction time of the triggering frequencies. There is a new MA lighting fixture type called Stage Marker. Stage Markers support any fixtures that use XYZ coordinates. By moving the XYZ coordinates of the stage marker, all linked fixtures will follow the marker's position. Using the marker encoder, you can link the fixtures to different markers. Eventually, this feature will be available for external follow spot systems. Thanks for watching. For the latest software updates, news, and other information, visit malighting.com.